Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 2:45 p.m. and today's 30th of August 2021. How are you guys doing and how was the market today? Right? Let me just have a look at the market along with you. I'm going to look at the Nifty and decide from here how was it was actually a massive blast. Nifty has broken its range. If you just have a look at it, this was a barrier for Nifty. The gap up, Nifty opened a little gap up and then continuously moved up only, right? It's a very strong opening and strong continuation of the trend, right? I just want to check with you all what is happening to the sectors, right? Are the sectors also performing well? So this all sectors are really doing well except IT. So IT and Nifty almost always run opposite to each other. So Nifty is going up, but IT is down. But you must have seen whenever Nifty is down, IT will give a good breakout, right? And the one to support Nifty, I've always said time and again that if metal is strong, Nifty is going to be strong no matter what. And look at the reality, look at metal, look at PSU Bank, Pharma, private bank, Bank Nifty, beautiful breakout, and Bank Nifty has broken the very important range today, right? It was a beautiful breakout in Bank Nifty. Then we have mid cap. Um, this is fin service, auto. Auto has broken the trend. You know, after a long time, if you notice, auto has today broken the trend, right? And in fact, on my radar was Ashoka Leyland, which has given a good move. Even Tata Motors was doing pretty good in the morning, right? Similarly, small cap CPSC, CPSC, uh, Nifty CPSC, then CNX Energy, all of them have been really doing well today. And look at Infra. Infra has broken its lifetime high today. Infra has broken, Nifty Infra has broken its lifetime high today. So that's a very positive sign for the market. So the reason for today's video is basically I'm going to talk about two stocks which I have given on my Twitter handle. If you are present, if you're not present here, be present here. I keep selecting extremely good stocks and keep posting them out here. And just for you people, right? It is my choice to do the research, the best research, and provide it free for members who want to make money along with me. So two stocks that I have given are Rajaratan and Akash. So I'm going to discuss about both of them. To begin with, I start with Akash, Akash Exploration, right? This is the company whose stock I have given on Twitter. And I just want you to see, a picture speaks thousand words, right? Just have a look at it. The stock has been just in unidirection. Only recently it experienced a little bit of, you know, a little bit of correction, right? And whenever a good stock has a bit of correction, a slight correction, that becomes an opportunity for us to take an entry. So when it took a support on the trend line, it hovered here for a few days. Above that, we definitely had a buying opportunity. So this Akash exploration, you have a look at it, almost like 45-degree angle, right? These stocks are unidirectional stocks. They will just move up and up and up, and people will be waiting to buy them whenever they correct. So I have opened, I'm going to open the fundamentals of Akash from screener.in, and we're going to run through all about it. So the market cap of this company is about 260 crores, 68 crores. Stock P is little high, book value is 41, and current price is little higher than the book value, much higher. In fact, 5 times, 6 times higher than the book value. And ROCE is 12.8%, ROE is about 10%, right? And what are the pros for this company? Company has reduced debts. Whereas if you look at the cons, stock is trading at a very high multiples of its PE value, book value, sorry. And though the company is reporting repeated profits, but it's not paying good dividend. So that's again a, it's not good gesture from company. Then Company has a low return on equity, about 12.47% from last 3 years. And who are the peers of this particular company? Jindal Drilling, Alpha Geo, and Duke Offshore. These are the peers of this company. And then let's come down to sales. You know what is happening in sales? If you notice, sales have been consistently increasing, right? If you notice, um, see from here, 9.8, 15.57, 18 crores. 18 crores was December 19 and March 20. But after that, a bit of decline, and it has kind of become constant after that, right? Operating profit margin is very, very decent. You know, 30% was in 2018, 2019, it's about again 30%. And currently, when we talk about June quarter, it was again 25%, which is a very, very good operating profit margins. So that's fine. Now let's go to the next parameter of this. What is happening to the sales, right? On year basis. So year basis, sales have definitely grown. 2011 sale was about 17 crores, and where we stand after 4 years, right after 4 years, or rather after 3 years, it was almost 5 times, right? And right now also almost 4.5 times, not bad. And then again, you know, if you see the expenses, of course they have also gone up, but the operating profit percent from 12% it has grown to 20%, right? So the more the margins, more they will be able to generate profits, right? Operating profit margin, right? Then comes the borrowings. Like, I want to see what is happening to the borrowings. So it is pretty nominal, nothing huge. Also, I want to see what is in the reserve side. So they have pretty good reserves of about 31 crores, which is a very, very positive sign. All right. Now, I actually always want to look at what is happening in their cash activities. Are they being able to generate some cash or not? And see here, they have been made, they've been consistently for the last 3 years, they've been making consistent cash, they're generating consistent cash. So that's again a very positive sign. And then I want to see what is happening to the shareholding pattern, which is not available. So now we talked about the stock. How does it look? The stock price, how is it looking? It's looking very uniformly growing up on a continuous basis. Then we talked about you know, the fundamentals. Now we're going to talk about the company. What does exactly this company do? So this is company's website, and they are actually into oil exploration, right? A leading company providing services for oil and gas exploration. And basically, I want to read about it, about company's profile, right? So here it's said that we introduce ourselves as one of the leading company providing oil and gas field. Our quality of supply is not an event of chance. It is conscious efforts of hard work. We believe in working effectively and efficiently to deliver products that fully satisfy customers' need. We provide mobile work over rigs, hot oil circulation unit, air compressor, mobile steaming unit. All they are actually providing the equipments for exploration. And then further they go, these Vipul Haria, Hemang Haria, and Krunal Haria are the directors and the managing directors. So I was looking into their, you know, the some of the things that I was looking at, who are their clients. So their clients are actually some very, very renowned companies in oil segment, ONGC, Hindustan Oil Exploration, Indian Oil Corporation, Reliance, SR, Vedanta, Schlumberger, and then Gale, right? These are very renowned, Oil India Limited. These are all very renowned names in space of you know, oil exploration. And then who are the investors, right? Okay, I'm not going to go into all that. And about, I want to see, you can go through, you know, their mission and vision and everything. But what I really feel from looking at the stock, that it is an opportune moment for us to enter into this, right? This stock will be definitely heading in the upward direction in the near future, and you can hold it for a long term, right? If the correction comes, see, just have a look at it. It started in October, right? October, and if I just have a monthly graph, weekly graph, so it started in October 2020. The second wave virtually had no effect on this stock, right? It was actually a correction proof stock. A bit of, like because of news and all, there was this correction in the month of August, and you can see some bit of correction that had come in the stock, but from the trend line it's taking a support. So again, if it crosses 290, I'm not expecting less than a target of 400, right? I'm definitely expecting a target of 400. Of course, we got to hold it for some longer duration. So this is one stock that definitely looks very, very good to me. The next stock that I have on my radar is Rajaratan Global. Rajaratan Global Wires, right? That is another stock. And all these stocks with proper, like little bit of explanation, I have posted on my Twitter handle. You can come here and check the entry price, the stop loss, the target, everything you'll be able to find out from here. So now we come to the Rajaratan. So see here, Rajaratan, if you see, the stock was in great up momentum, right? And as when all the equities started correcting, even this started correcting. So this corrected for some shorter duration, and then it became almost, it started taking the support at this place. In fact, I would say in this candle, some institutions have taken an entry, and that is how the stock is refusing to go below 1800, right? That is how stock is refusing to go below 1800. So my target for this stock, which is Rajaratan, at this point directly is going to be 2800, right? Directly, right? Here is going to be my target, 2756. And if it crosses 2756, we can definitely expect another 2 to 300 rupees, 2 to 300 points more in this particular stock. So this is Rajaratan. Now let's go to screener.in and again see what are the fundamentals, company's fundamentals. Are they good or the bad? How do they look, right? So Rajaratan Global Wires is here. The company has 2004 crores, right? That's the company's market cap. The current price is roughly about 1973. The ROC is 23%, RO is 26%, which is a very, very big number, right? Company, what are the pros? Company is expected to give good quarters. Company has delivered good profit growth in last 5 years. What are the cons? It is trading at a very, very expensive valuation. That's a con, right? And debtors, they have increased. That again a little bit of negative for the stock. Now let's look at the peers. So Shyam Metallics, Apollo Tricoat, Godavari Power, Mishra Dhatu, Welspun, Sarda, and Ratnamani Metals. These are the peers in this particular space. The PE of Rajaratan is about 27, on a higher side, but still lesser than Ratnamani and even Apollo Tricoat. Then we come to the sales. What is happening to sales from 2018? If you see, except there was a dip in June 2020, except the dip in June 2020, there has been a constant growth as far as sales are concerned, right? So we're going to talk about what exactly they work into, and are they do they have good business module for their product, and look at the operating profit margin, almost doubled in 3 years from 9 to 20, right? 9 to 20 or 18%, right here. See here, this is 18%. So it has almost, see here, this is 18%. And this one is 9% in 2008 OPM. Now operating profit margins have gone up, right? And that's a very positive sign, and that means they will be able to generate better profits, right? When the margins to operate go up, the profits also go up. Then we're going to talk about sales year on year basis. In 2010 it was about 184 crores, and in 2020 21 it's about 547 crores, almost like 3 times, right? Sales have grown 3 times, which is a very, very good sign. And then we come to operating profit margin is decent. I want to check a few more things. What is happening to reserves? So reserves have continuously increased, and now they stand almost like from 39 crores to 216 crores. So a company must have reserves to meet their emergency requirements. You know, sometimes there could be some emergency, in that they will be able to use their reserves. Then we come to the next point, which is again my favorite point about a company, and which is basically their cash from the operating activity, which is again positive, and hence this stock qualifies as one of my see here 39, 48, 51, 36, right? So this is how the company has been continuously generating cash, and a cash rich company is always going to give rich dividends. They should give rich dividends, right? Now the shareholding patterns. So the promoters hold, they trust in their own product. About 65% of the holding is held by promoters themselves. Then FIs do not have interest in it. A bit of little interest have started coming up. DIs have about 9.21%, and rest is basically held by the public. So which is fine, right? Now let's come to the Ratmani's this website, right? About us. Let's see what they talk about themselves. So okay, they're talking about the probably the CEO or somebody who started the company. So I would like to go to the products that they make, and I think the one of the niche product they make is basically the tire bead wire. So what is tire bead wire? Tire bead wire is used to all kind of mobile tires of earth moving equipments and aircraft. The main function of the bead wire is to hold the tire to the rim and to resist the action of the inflated pressure, which constantly tries to force it off. Bead wire is the crucial link through which the vehicle load is transferred from rim to the tire, right? So, which prevents vibration during driving. It's significant. It significantly affects the safety, strength, and durability of tires. Bead wire is a drawn steel wire which is manufactured from quality wires rod with high carbon content. Bead wire surface is coated with copper or bronze, which ensures proper adhesion with the used rubber compound, right? So basically this is required in automobiles as well as aircrafts and the earth moving equipments, like heavy equipment. Basically you need to have some wire which connects the rim and the tire. So who are their clients? Let's have a look at the clients. The list of clients, they say we have had the privilege of working with some of the renowned companies across the globe. At Rajaratan, we see our clients as partners and globally renowned brands. So they have not given the names, but that's okay. Who are the investors? So investors are basically whatever, whosoever. I'm not much interested. So one more product that we're going to look into is high carbon steel wire. High carbon steel wire is popularly known as black wire. It is drawn steel wire which is manufactured from quality wire rods and high carbon content. With a wide range of usage, black wire plays a vital role in many industries, from automobile and construction of engineering industries. At Rajaratan, we manufacture high carbon steel wire in our state-of-the-art plants and employ world-class patented heat treatment process. The high carbon steel wire is we manufacture are of two grades. So basically they make this high grade steel wire and the tire bead wire. These are their specialities. I think they are leaders in manufacturing these two products. So when you have a little bit of upper hand, you know, like you have a product which is basically niche product, not many people are doing, and the entry for to make that product is higher, then you have a monopoly in the market. So this stock, which is Rajaratan, looks technically and fundamentally strong to me, and I definitely expect, right now we stand at uh, 2076 or so. I definitely expect a target of 2875, and if that is 2750, if that is crossed, I'm not expecting less than 3500 target. So this is what I wanted to share, guys, the two stocks that you should keep on radar, and this is my Twitter handle. Please join me and just take my research for free, where I spend a lot of time to identify good stocks for you, and where I really make a very strong study about before recommending stocks. So this is the place you can get it in the live market as well, right? So all the best, guys. So I'm expecting some good move coming up in Rajaratan. So today my trade was 𝐼𝐸𝐴𝐶. 𝐼𝐸𝐴𝐶 was my trade in which I have traded and I have given it to our students. So look at the move. If you see in 15 minutes, you'll be able to see beautifully. This is how the stock moved. Our entry was somewhere here at about 718 or so. From 718, it went up to 741, and still it looks extremely strong to me, for a target of at least 800, right? If somebody wants to hold it, a target of 800 can easily be expected. So with this, I'm signing off, and guys, remain connected, and I'm going to just show you my YouTube channel. You can join and study, understand, and learn about the basics of stock market, right? A lot of work has been done, and a lot of information has been given here, and you can come here and watch. This is a place where you can come and watch. This is my channel, and you go to the videos, you will be able to find out a lot of videos which have been made for learning, for earning. And if you come down, you will see there are these orange and green videos, right? This is our very premium course called All-in-One, which we suggest you to watch before joining any of our course, which will make you understand the basics of the stock market. And after that, we have two courses which you can talk to our team, stockpro team. You can get in touch with stockpro team. You will get the details in the description box of the video. So all the best, guys. Keep learning and keep making good money. And I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst and founder and chief mentor at StockPro, and partner with Zerodha Hub Stocks and Fires. So all the best, guys. Hope you have understood how important these two trades are. And they stand at a very good valuation. So all the best, and see you soon.